Let's begin with posture. Stand comfortably with your feet hip distance apart, relaxed, arms loosely held by your sides. Make sure that one foot is slightly in front of the other, doesn't matter which foot. Make sure your knees are off lock. Just test that. Lock the knees and then unlock them. Have another go. Lock them and unlock them. Can you feel that your body's energy, when they're unlocked, goes straight to the floor where you need to be grounded for wonderful singing and speech results? Lower torso, relaxed. Upper torso, slightly lifted. If your ribs are slightly lifted out, the lungs can receive and expel air with the greatest of ease. Shoulders slightly back, head and neck level. Let's begin now with a breathing exercise. Equal breathing. Even count of 4. Just exhale all the air from your lungs, primarily through your nose but with a slightly open mouth. And breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Release. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. Release. Try not to stop at the bottom or the top. Breathe in. Make those transitions really smooth. Release. Last round. Breathe in. Release. This exercise is also incredibly calming, and it can center you before you begin to narrate your films. Give yourself a shake out. Let's look at resonation now. We're going to use one of the 3 resonating consonants. We're going to use in a downward motion. The other 2 resonating consonants are and the third is You can create that third one by saying the word sing and holding the last 2 consonants. Sing. It's the NG consonant combination that we want to focus on. With all 3 consonants, air always escapes through the nose. Just try that with Put your finger just under your nose. Say the word in a downward pattern and you'll feel the air coming out of your nose. Take a good breath and even though your mouth is open. So we're going to put in front of each of our consonant groups. So follow along. Breathe in and ooh. With me. Ooh. My turn. Oh. With me. Oh. 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 Ah. Ah. Hey. Hey. The whole plan is to make sure that the sound is consistent in tone, that the breath pressure is even, and that the vowels are correctly shapen.